Welcome to our channel, Kiddy Fun Learn.
Hi kids, in this video we will learn about letter C. C for cat. C for cat. C for carrot. C for carrot. C for candy. C for candy. C for cup. C for cup. C, capital C, capital C. Small c, small c.